I know exactly how 90% girls gonna use this palette, and I wanna do something different. I'm showing you the easiest way how to use this eyeshadow palette. This product will turn down my discoloration. Hi everyone, this is Katerina. Welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna review the newest eyeshadow palette from Makeup by Mario. This is the Master Mask, the neutral eyeshadow palette. We have 12 eyeshadows here. They are matte. I will swatch for you, but before I'm gonna swatch, before I'm gonna try this eyeshadow, after 45 my eyelid, it's not smooth. I have little bit lines and wrinkles, and particularly in the morning I need put little bit eye cream on my eyelid. I want to make sure my eyelid looks hydrating, my skin it's plump there, and then I will put eyeshadow primer and we're gonna use eyeshadow. But let me swatch this beautiful 12 colors for you. Believe me or not, it's a first time I'm gonna try eyeshadow palette from Mario. I believe first time? Yes, I see it this first time, and I'm very excited, but I don't know any idea pigments, quality, texture. First I'm gonna show you this first row. It's a lightest eyeshadows in this palette. This is first color, second color, third color, and this is fourth color on the first row. Then I'm gonna show you this second row. Very feels powdery texture. This is its first color and second row. This is its second color, third color. I definitely like this third color. It's probably one of will be my favorite color. Sorry, my hand little bit swollen. I fall down at work and I hurt myself really bad, and it's already 4 months it's almost, and my hand still swollen and really hurts me. And this is its number 4 color in this palette. Now I'm gonna show you the third row. This is its first color, second color, and this is this beautiful gray blue color. It is beautiful color, but I be honest with you, if we don't have this color in this palette, I will not even say this is cool palette. It's just neutral palette. And this is its last color. I really wanted to see, it looks it's a rich black, but let me swatch and see this color on my wrist. It is beautiful but soft black. Eyeshadow don't feel really creamy to me. They really feels powdery. I swatched this color for you. Do I like them? Yes, I'm a makeup artist. I need this eyeshadow palette, but I really want to see how this eyeshadow palette by Mario gonna sit on my premature eyelid, because again I have lines and wrinkles, and sometimes when you apply just matte powdery eyeshadow can bring more lines and wrinkles to my eye. Remember, I apply first eye cream on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from MAC. I want my eyeshadow stay all day, all night, and this product will prevent from creasing, and also I have a discoloration on my eyelid. This product will turn down my discoloration. This is Color Painterly. It's one of my must-have product every time when I apply any eyeshadow. I know exactly how 90% girls gonna use this palette, and I wanna do something different. First color, which one we're gonna use, is this light color. I have a big blending brush and we are gonna put close to my brows. This is the lightest color in this palette. Again, I'm using big blending brush. Now I'm gonna use another brush from Chanel, it's eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful gray color. This gray color I'm gonna apply on my lower lid, and you can see, ooh, it is pigmented and I like it. Ooh, yo, this is gorgeous. Okay, I apply them just on my entire lower lid. I'm showing you the easiest way how to use this eyeshadow palette. Now we're gonna use this color right here, and I'm using big blending brush. Will be my middle color. We're gonna apply above these gray colors. We're starting from this corner, and I'm pushing this color a little bit up. I need to reapply this color few more times to build. It's kind of very neutral, very soft. We have with you 3 colors and they look really pretty, and again it's so easy to apply. You apply lighter color here, darker color right here, and it's your middle color. It's like a softer brown color. I have a lot of blending brush, another blending brush, it's clean. I'm gonna little bit soft this gray eyeshadow, little bit blend, little bit pushing up. Even it's a darker gray eyeshadow, but with this application you can see my eye still looks really natural and soft. Now I'm gonna use Lancome brown eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes. Now I have my angle eyeliner brush from Trish McAvoy, and we're gonna use this darker color. It's a beautiful darker chocolate color. Tap, it's very important. And now this darker brown color I'm gonna apply on top of my waterproof eyeliner from Lancome. I personally love my eyes. I have again my brown eyeliner, it's waterproof eyeliner. I'm gonna apply between my lashes underneath. I hope you like this look because it's so easy. Remember, I like to teach my people how to use all these beauty products you own. Okay, small tiny brushes. This is, oh, excuse me, sorry, Chanel brush, tiny, and I have lightest color. I applying right here, close to my brow bone, just like a halfway. I want extra lift because after 45, all what you want, extra lift, right? I hope you like this look because it's so beautiful, it's so easy, and it's not complicated. Now I'm gonna use Lancome conditioner primer for lashes and then Benefit mascara. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. This product I recommend every single my customer because will make your eyelashes 3 times bigger. Benefit mascara I like because will give me nice volume and separation. And for my low lashes, of course, MAC mascara is the best. Love this tiny small brush. I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow underneath. I really want this beautiful clean look. I want look young and fresh. Now I have a small tiny brush from North, it's my favorite brush. I'm gonna use this color and this color together very softly. I'm just gonna apply on my brow, just refreshing my brows. I personally really like this palette. I love quality, nothing falling down. Beautiful how this eyeshadow sits on my eyelid, and I like it have enough good pigment. I will not say it's extremely pigment, but it's a nice good pigmented palette, and this palette, again, this is your palette, can be daytime, nighttime. Look at this look, right? You can go to work or you can go to party. I really like my eyes. They look so sexy, and I will say they look even natural, even we use with you pretty dark eyeshadow. I look again little bit pale. I'm gonna use bronze from Pat McGrath, and then I just grab this at Sephora. It's a highlighting powder, a soft glow highlighter powder, makeup by Mario, color Pearl, and I love this powder. Again, I swatch already here one more time. Oh my god, it's like a butter. I'm using Hourglass brush. It's a double-ended brush. I like this for powder, and this is for contour. Again, I'm using Pat McGrath bronze. My bronze is done. Again, I apply it very close to my hairline, right here, and underneath. Time for highlighter. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury brush, and I'm just gonna apply right here. Ooh, I love this highlighter. It goes so pretty. It's not like a too sparkly. It's more like a glow powder. Let's put a little bit highlighter right here. And you know what? I really need this highlighter. Yes, we have all matte eyeshadow from with you, but I really want little bit glow right here on my corner. Oh my god, I love it. I'm smiling because I love my makeup, and oh my god, why did I wait for so long to purchase some items from Mario? I don't know why, because maybe I'm working at Nordstrom and we do not have his makeup, but like, it's beautiful. I really like this look. Okay, let's put a little bit blush, and this is, it's Christian Dior color Coral. Very beautiful color. I need little bit pop. I like to apply my blush on a cheek and push up. I do not like apply blush, how it's very popular right now, under your eye area. I think it's like too much and it don't look natural. Now let's do my lips. For my lips, I'm gonna use very neutral color from Laura Mercier, and it's a hazelnut tea. Again, it's so soft, very natural. And then I'm gonna use lip stain from Chanel, and it's tender beige. Wow, I love this lip color. It looks so soft, natural. It's not age me. I need to wait 1 or 2 minutes. Lipstick will dry, and then I will apply clear lip gloss. Nice, very nice. I know, my girls, you're gonna ask me, Katerina, what foundation do you have? What concealer did you use? I used today Christian Louboutin foundation, and it's full coverage. I personally really like how it looks on my skin, because I like full coverage. And for my dark circles, I used today Laura Mercier concealer. It's one of my favorite concealer, and again, whole entire this looks, it's beautiful. The end of this video. Approve, love this eyeshadow. I'm gonna buy more products from Mario because I am impressed.